Oh, you see what we have here. We've just been accumulating mystery pins for the last few months, I think. It has been a few months because we got these on our last trip back in April, and it's now the end of May. These were on Shop Disney. We got these from the park as well. I'm ready to open up some mystery pins. Mystery pins are fun. We don't necessarily collect them. We just like to see what's in them.
But we do collect these.
What we do now.
Obviously, we collect donuts.
Yeah, I mean, I really like these ones. These are the Haunted Mansion mystery pins that glow in the dark, and we haven't opened any of these yet, which is the Jerrod Maruyama styled pins. And then the donut ones, yeah, I guess we do collect them. I think this one might be the only one that we're just like, that looks fun, let's open some.
I think that was a Brandon random impulse buy.
It was. You ready to open up some pins?
Yeah, let's do this one first.
Each one of these boxes has 2 pins in it. Pin number 1. Let me refresh you on the ones we already have.
Do we have this one?
We do not. That is Uncle Scrooge, one of my favorite Disney characters of all time. And pin number 2. All right, so we got 1 new one and a 1 duplicate. So that's set number 1. Let's move on to the Haunted Mansion mystery pin sets, and I'll remind you that these do glow in the dark. So let me remind you of the ones that we do have. And again, each one of these comes with 2 pins per box. Pin number 1.
Cut that all the way. I think we have this.
Yeah, we have that one. That's the 3 hitchhiking ghosts.
I don't know if we have this.
We do not. She's one of the ones in the stretching room, right?
Yeah.
She's the one sitting on top of the tombstone. Right here. Next. You're so funny. Oh man. It's the quicksand guys. What's this one?
The Haunted Mansion pillar.
Oh, we don't have that one.
We still don't have Constant Hatchaway.
So we got 2 new ones and 2 old ones. The Haunted Mansion pillar, and we've got the lady sitting on top of the tombstone from the stretching room. All right, so we only need 2 more to complete our collection.
How many more boxes will we have to purchase?
It's gonna be one of those things though that when I go to the park, I'm gonna pull one off the shelf. That's usually what I do. I'm just like, okay, we'll get one of these. Look, we got a box, and you know, and then we'll open it up eventually.
All right.
Let me remind you of the ones that we already do have. I'm taking off of our collection list here the ones that I know are fake, that we just kind of left in the case. Only going for the new ones that we know are 100% real.
Dumbo.
We have a Dumbo that I think might be fake. This one is real.
Jiminy.
We have a Jiminy Cricket that may be fake, but that one is real. We're doing good so far.
Dalmatian.
We have a Dalmatian that may be fake, but this one is real. We're doing good.
Pluto.
We have a Pluto, I believe.
We don't have this one, do we?
No! Awesome! We got a new one!
Yay!
Tell them what that is.
Sorcerer Mickey.
Yay! I'm excited. So we have 3 replacements for ones that may be fake, and we have this one, which we did not have, and this one, which we did have. I'm excited.
I'm really excited about.
I'm super excited. I didn't think we were going to find that one.
Awesome.
Now we're moving on to the Jerrod Maruyama. We have 4 boxes. Again, reminder, there are 2 per box. Scissors over here. These popped up on Shop Disney a while back, and they were in, they were out, they were in, they were out. And I just, every time they pop up, I just kind of buy 1 or 2 boxes of them. Tia pointed out that these are actually cheaper than the Haunted Mansion ones. The Haunted Mansion ones were $18. These are what, $15 a piece? Mm-hmm. Pin number 1.
A bellhop.
Is that Tower of Terror or is that Haunted Mansion?
Tower of Terror. Because if you look really closely, you can see on his thing.
Hollywood Tower Hotel.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, cute.
Who's that?
Mr. Toad.
Mr. Toad's Wild Ride.
Which I never actually rode.
I'm sure I did. The one that used to be at Walt Disney World,
anyway.
but I don't remember it.
Oh, Snow White.
Oh, next to the wishing well. The one that's right next to Cinderella Castle. I assume that's the wishing well of Snow White. Is that what it's supposed to be?
She has her own well in Epcot, doesn't she? Where she meets and greets.
Is there a wishing well over there? I mean, I'll take your word for that. I don't think I've ever noticed over there. I know there's a wishing well right next to Cinderella Castle. I always thought that was this one.
Why wouldn't that be Cinderella's?
Does she have a wishing well?
If she wants one.
Well, I mean, she's Cinderella. Okay, pin number 4. I'm hoping for a figment. That's the one I want.
Well, you got a Hatbox Ghost.
Oh, Haunted Mansion. Cool.
He's like...
The Hatbox Ghost is not at Disney World. Okay, figment. Give me a figment. We got 4 more pins to look at. Figment.
How about an Orange Bird?
Ooh, I like Orange Bird too. Well, so far we don't have any duplicates. Shh, we will now.
Now we will.
But now we're gonna get a duplicate. Which one's the duplicating?
I'm just gonna go ahead and open all 3 of these.
So you know what's in them. We're opening up these pins live on camera. I'm hoping for a figment. Figment.
I don't know if you're gonna get one or not.
Don't tell me
see?
no. We got a duplicate. Me and my big
It's all
mouth.
your fault.
Me and my big fat mouth. 2 Haunted Mansions. Next.
He's so cute.
Oh, it's the Jungle Cruise Goofy. Yay.
Oh, adorable. Gosh, how many different ones are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's a lot.
Here we go.
Last
one.
Ready?
Figment. It's a figment. It's a figment! Yes! I'm done. My collection is complete. All I wanted was that figment. I'm happy now. I don't care what else we got. I got my figment. That's all I wanted.
He's adorable.
Yay.
No, now we gotta keep going because we got so many of them. We're only missing 3.
So we're only missing the Little Mermaid one, the White Rabbit, and the car with Donald, which I guess is the Raceway.
Yeah.
We got like all the good ones. That is awesome. And we only had 1 duplicate. That never happens. I'm so excited that I got my figment. That is literally the only one I absolutely had to have. Orange Bird was the other one I really wanted too.
Hashtag needed it.
Do you like mystery pins? The fun of opening up the mystery pins, or do you collect them with a passion and you have to get every single one, and if you don't, your experience was completely ruined? Which camp do you fall into? Put it in the comments below.
But until then, remember,
No capes. Are you ready? It's the... I don't know. It's a surprise. Hold on.
but I'm ready to go. I didn't rip the box until just then.
Let me refresh you on the ones we already have.
Wish I could see that. I didn't rip the other box. It's already ripped.
Now we're on to the Haunted Mansion. Not looking today. Put it in the comments below. But until then, remember.
But until then, remember, you are just like off the chain.
But until then, remember.
No cakes!